Okay, so in this video, I want to show the issue that merchants are dealing with sometimes when they have to give discounts to items they're selling, but there's the issue of the tax, right? So not necessarily because you give a discount to an item, it doesn't mean that you can collect less tax on the item. Sometimes you have to collect the taxes on the item based on the original price, even though you've discounted the original price. And it is basically impossible to achieve on Clover natively. I'm going to demonstrate a workaround that I've conceived. And for discounting, I'm going to use the apps that are provided by CSI Works. There are three of them that I'm going to demonstrate: the Mix and Match, the Manual Discounts, and Discount Scheduler. All the three apps are available on the Clover, and they will handle the discounting part. But the tax part, I'm going to show you how. And again, this is a bit of a hack or workaround because natively it's not possible to achieve. And let me show you what we're talking about here. So I'm going to grab an item, right, that's taxable in my system. There it is. I have my tax. And say now we want to use a discount, right? Say minus $5. See how giving a discount affected the tax collected, and that's the issue that we're trying to solve for here. We don't want to give the discount. We don't want to collect less tax because we gave a discount. We still want to see the tax that's 71 cents, right? So 10%. And how do you do that? Well, first off, this is how we're going to do it. And like, just track with me for a while because at first it's going to seem counterproductive what I'm doing. But we're going to go into an app called Setup and going to go taxes and fees. And we're going to basically remove this default tax. Okay, delete it. And as a result, we have no taxes. Okay, now let me demonstrate this. If we pick any of these items, chicken cutlet, it should be not taxed. There it is. And that's what we want. We want not tax. And the way I'm proposing to handle tax is rather than having it here, because having it there completely ties it up to the amount, and that's why you can't separate it out. So instead, what you can do is go to the inventory app, right? Our inventory app. Okay, and we're going to create an item. We're going to call it tax collected. All right, that item is going to be variably priced, right? So it's price variable. And that's basically it, right? So, and that item itself cannot have taxes, obvious. So, and that's why if you just go and turn it off in the settings, then all of it is taken care of just in one fell swoop. So we have this item called taxes collected, and we can put it in a category that enables us to see it faster, right? Like whatever that category is, let's call it, I don't know, breads, whatever. I mean, you get the idea. So you can put this item anywhere you want, so that it's easily accessible in your register. And what I'm proposing you do is, where's our breads? Is that you add this item and it goes, well, how much tax? You go 71. Right? Because 10% is easy to calculate. So that's how you've collected the tax. And now what happens is, you can do wonderful things with discounts, because, let me give you an example of this. So let's just delete that. And I have this combo set up here using the Mix and Match app, right? So this is our Mix and Match app, and it has this combo, and I'm not going to focus in on how it was set up technically. I'm just going to navigate to the screen where you can see what the setup is. And basically, two items bought together. These are regular prices. These are discounted prices. In the end, you're going to end up having to charge this much for these items, and that's how much it should have been otherwise. Okay, so that's kind of your combo build. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab those two items, right? So it's Coke, money, 1, and Coke, 1, right? And as soon as I've done that, the discount is issued. But we know that together it was $7, so we're looking for 70 cents tax. Well, just go ahead and add. tax collected, 70 cents. And this right here allows you to process this transaction this way, where, yeah, you're charging $4 for the combo, but you're still getting your 70 cents on tax. And that's kind of what I come up with as a hack solution. Again, this, like, please don't hate on me on the comments, because it's not right. I understand that this isn't a native approach. There is no native approach on Clover to separate taxes from discounts. Maybe one day there will be, but as of publishing of this video, there really isn't. And so perhaps this is the only way to do what we're being asked to do, and I thought this would be useful. Thank you.